Looking for a toner cartridge that delivers sharp, vibrant color without compromise? The Brother Genuine TN431 Cyan toner cartridge offers just that, producing crisp, professional quality prints every time. With a page yield of 1,800 pages, it's designed to keep your workflow smooth and efficient without constant replacements. What sets this cartridge apart is its role as part of a complete Brother printing system. Every element is engineered to work together, ensuring superior color accuracy and consistent toner distribution on every page. This balance means no streaks, smudges, or faded colors, just clean, reliable output that makes your documents stand out. Users across the United States have praised the TN431 for its dependable performance and high-quality results. One review highlights the great print quality, emphasizing how the toner maintains vibrant cyan tones throughout its lifespan. These positive experiences underscore why many trust Brother cartridges for their important print jobs. While delivery times may vary, the value of the cartridge itself remains strong. The TN431 is crafted to deliver ongoing improvements as Brother regularly updates its hardware and supplies, ensuring you benefit from the latest advancements without changing your setup. This means you get a product that evolves with your needs. If you're tired of inconsistent print quality or frequent cartridge replacements, the Brother Genuine TN431 Cyan toner cartridge is worth considering. It offers a reliable, high-yield solution that keeps your documents looking sharp and professional, saving you time and frustration. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? Try the Brother Genuine TN431 Cyan toner cartridge when you're ready for consistent color output and long-lasting performance. It's a practical choice for anyone serious about quality and efficiency in their printing tasks.